Why she act like this, y'all? Say hey. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Stop, cause it's Dookie out here. With that being said, just gonna wrap up that video. What's going on, YouTube? We are back with a video. As y'all can tell, the dog's trying to play with me, but I don't know if she's stepping in Dookie or not. But today we are going to be doing a few adjustments to the KX250. But before we get started, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all also just stay tuned with all the content that's coming. As we get this bike ready to ride, I did not tell y'all, but I'm looking to start flipping dirt bikes, cars, everything. So y'all just expect that, and we're gonna get some money together. We're gonna all learn how to get some money. We're gonna go through the processes and everything that we gotta do to get some bread. So with that being said, let me go ahead and get my keys to get the lock off, and then we can get started with this video. All right, y'all, so we back on the bike. I had made a few adjustments to the throttle, so now I got a little bit of free play, you know. Of course we could have adjusted up here, but it's all right how it is right now. But we're just gonna warm the bike up real quick. Right now I'm looking like a lemon because I gotta have my shit in my pocket, but it is what it is until I get it fit. Oh, so let's see. I'm not sure if we got it. We're gonna put it on cold start anyway. We're gonna see. Here we go. Just make sure my throttle right. Is the fuel on? Nope, it's off. Let's do it. Uh-oh. 3 too many. All right, y'all, so there we go. I'm just turning down the idle real quick, so let's warm it up real quick. If it is popping, so let me put my AirPod up. Oh. So right now, we're just gonna warm it up, get it idling and stuff, get it right, and now we're gonna go from there. Bogging out at the top. So I think what I'm gonna do is, since it's bogging out at the top, see, we gotta warm it up first. She can't be doing this. Anyway, we're gonna because what I'm thinking is I should do the needle first. So once I do the needle, I feel like, because right now it's running lean until I get the pilot jet or whatever in the carburetor kit, then I feel like I'm just gonna run it a little bit rich. That way it'll be safer for the engine and won't get too hot. So we're gonna get a few, like we still gonna warm it up real quick because I still gotta make some adjustments and stuff like that. And yeah, we're just gonna ride this thing. So make sure I like, comment, subscribe. We on this thing. No hot start, y'all. No hot start. She just stay popping. I don't know why, but it'll be alright. I down there thought he was on a bike. Still get used to it. Damn, I'm doing 21 miles an hour? Jeez. Too lean or rich. And I hope y'all see this, bro. Y'all just let me know, cause I'm trying to tune it right now while I'm riding. But I don't know if it's too lean or rich right now, cause it's sputtering sometimes, and then it's not. And then sometimes it'll let me wheelie, and then it won't. So let me know. Maybe it won't let me wheelie at all. Shit. Fuck. That shit bird. Fuck.